Alright students, so we're continuing with exercise 4. It's time to do question number 11. So this is one kind of applications of distance formula again. So 11.1, the question is if the distance between the points P and Q is 5. So your coordinates of P is x comma 7 and the coordinates of Q is 2 comma 3, and it is given that distance PQ is 5. Distance PQ is 5, and what you have to do, you have to find the value of x. Okay, so I'll apply the distance formula. Before that, I'll square it already. So PQ square becomes your 5 square, that is 25. So now if I apply distance formula, because it is squared already, square root is gone, so it will be x2 minus x1, it is 2 minus x whole square plus 3 minus 7 whole square is equal to 25. So this shall give us a minus b whole square. So that is 2 square is 4 minus 2 into a into b plus b square. 3 minus 7 is minus 4. Minus 4 whole square is 16. So that is equal to 25. This means this is 20 minus 4x plus x square minus 25 equal to 0. Isn't it? So this shall give us a quadratic equation now. X square minus 4x minus 5 equal to 0. So from here I will get x square minus 4x minus 5 equal to 0. Now middle term factorization. So the factors will be 5 minus 1 into x minus 5. We have done in high school already, middle term factorization. And I'll simplify this. So minus 5x plus x minus 5 equal to 0. Then now x common, x minus 5, from these two 1 common, x minus 5. So from both the terms x minus 5 is common. So you're left with x plus 1 equal to 0. So you can have x equal to 5 or x equal to minus 1. So both are possible. So my final answer is x is equal to 5 or x is equal to minus 1. Right? This kind of question you have already done in class 10, but still it's a recall or revision. Now let's go to question number 2. Now 11.2, same kind of question. They are saying distance between minus 3 comma 3 and 4 comma k is 5 root 2. You have to find the value of k. So a similar kind of question. So you can assume that this is a and this is b. So basically what is given is a AB is 5 root 2. After you can square it, so AB square is 5 square is 25 into 2, it will be 50. AB square is 50. Then apply distance formula and then simplify, and you will get two values of k. The answers are 2 and 4. Please try to solve in your own and try to get these answers 2 and 4. This is similar to question number 1. Now let's move on to question number 3. Question number 3 is again similar. Now this time they are saying distance between x comma 1 and 1 comma 1 is x. You have to find the value of x. Okay, so same kind of approach, a and b. So they are saying AB is x. That means your AB square is equal to x square. After that you can apply distance formula and then solve for x. The answers for this particular question is x is equal to half. Okay, now number 4, again very much similar question. This time the distance between k comma 3 and 3 comma 3 is k, and you have to find a value of k. So same kind of approach, as you know, this will be your a, this will be your b. So your AB is k, so AB square is k square. Alright, after that apply distance formula and simplify, find the value of k. Your k should be 3 by 2. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4 all are similar kind of questions. Now let's move on to question number 5. Now question number 5 says, for what value of k will the point k comma 0 be equidistant? K comma 0 is equidistant from a comma 0 and minus 5a comma 0. Okay, so that means this point k comma 0 is equidistant from a comma 0 and minus 5a comma 0. So let us assume that this is a, this is b, and this is c. So what will happen then? AB is equal to AC. A is equidistant from both B and C. Equidistance means distance is same. So this should give us, if I square it already, so I'll have AB square equal to AC square, isn't it? So this means if I apply distance formula now, A minus K whole square plus 0 minus 0 whole square equal to, if I go for AC, minus 5A minus K whole square plus 0 minus 0 whole square. Now from here, if I apply a minus b whole square, this is a square minus 2ak plus k square. 0 minus 0 is 0, 0 square is 0 again, so no need to write anything. So minus 5a whole square is 25a square. This will be plus, ultimately, I think you can understand why, 10k plus k square. Okay, 0 minus 0 is again 0. So from here, this k square can be cancelled easily. So k square is cancelled. So now what we have is a square minus 2ak is equal to 25a square plus 10ak. This should be 10ak, not 10k. So let me write it over here. This will be 10ak. Okay. Now there is a in all the terms. So what I can do, I can cancel one a from all the terms. So you will have a minus 2k equal to 25a plus 10k. Okay, so now it's time to simplify. So I'll have a minus 24a equal to 12k. That means your a, or actually you have to find a value of k. So k is minus 24a by 12. That means it will be minus 2a, isn't it? So that is the value of k. Alright. So now let's go to the next question, that is question number 6. Again, question number 6 is familiar. They are saying the square of the distance between 12,5 and x, 3 is 29. And what you have to do, you have to find a value of x. So taking this as a and this as b, so it's given that the square of the distance, that means ab square, is 29. You have to find a value of x. So let's apply distance formula. So this will give us x minus 12 whole square plus 3 minus 5 whole square equal to 29. So this means if I apply a minus b whole square, x square minus, it will be 24x plus 144. 3 minus 5 is minus 2 whole square is again 4 equal to 29. And this cell give us x square minus 24x plus 148 minus 29 equal to 0. And that will give us x square minus 24x plus, if you subtract, it will get 119, right, equal to 0. Now you have to middle term factorize this one and find the factors, then simplify. Your final answers that you should get is x equal to 7 and 17. Alright, so that you can do. So that's the end of question number 11. All the questions I have discussed. In the next video, I shall explain question number 12.